Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm actually on the Loom screen right now because it's been so long since I uploaded a video that I had forgotten what the app was that I even record videos on. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on. Spoiler alert, basically the net worth has been flat, but as you guys know, if you guys have been in the market is basically on a massive downtrend. But I got some comments that were saying, dude, I wish you would upload a little bit more. So I wanted to give you guys kind of an update of what's going on in my life. But I didn't script this. I just decided, man, it's been a while, so just get on here. Doesn't matter how bad the video is. I'm going to give you guys a little house tour at the end. But quick synopsis of basically what's going on is I've been doing travel lab tech. I don't know how I said that kind of weird. I'm working as a travel lab tech. Okay, so working as a travel lab tech right now, and those contracts are very lucrative. Okay, so people are kind of moving around, travel nurses, travel lab techs, basically travel doctors, nurse practitioners, anyone who works in the medical field. You can make a lot more money right now by being a traveler and filling positions that are in desperate need, essentially. So just got this contract right now that it's looking like it might be just over 80 an hour. So then there's some opportunity for overtime. So those are the big wins. You know, a lot of people want to focus on, hey, don't use a credit card, or don't spend an extra 4 cents per gallon on gas. Or, you know, at the beginning of this year, I was making about $28, $29 an hour. And now I'm almost making triple that, right? That's what happens when you focus on big wins. So let's go over here to the net worth tracker, which I forget who told me that this is fraudulent or whatever. But and then I have a video where I actually go through and I show you guys that it's legit. I don't know why I would fake this amount of money. If I was going to fake something, I would at least make myself a millionaire. But anyways, here we go. This is where we're at with all the accounts. I've been employing a strategy where I basically just put $250 a weekday into the S&P 500 and some other little ancillary positions. I'm not going to get into the portfolio today because I want to get you guys through the house tour. So basically we're sitting at about $250,000, which my last video we were sitting at $250,000. But like I said, we've gone into bear market territory. I did sell out. And I bought this house that we're sitting in, which I'm going to give you guys a tour of. But right before we do, I just want to tell you guys why I bought this house and why I paid cash for it. So 2 reasons I paid cash for it. Number 1 was that if I'm doing traveling, I just wanted to have somewhere that I could call home base. Right now I'm over in North Dakota, and there's really cheap housing out here. You can get houses for $40K, $50K. This house here, I bought it for $97,000. And it's just somewhere that I can call home base, right? Somewhere that I can come to and not pay bills. And eventually, if I do want to do this YouTube thing, it would be nice to have at least one place that I don't have any bills, right? I'm not somebody who's completely against leverage, but if I'm not sure, you know, if my income is lumpy, my income is not certain, and I do eventually want to branch out and do the YouTube thing, then I want somewhere to just call home base and just say, when we go here, we don't have any bills except for electricity, food, gas, things of that nature that everybody has to pay, insurance, all that good stuff. So anyways, that was the purpose for buying this. And then also just the raging inflation. I think that next month we're coming up on April, which is going to include some of this Russia-Ukraine stuff in the numbers, the inflation numbers. So I think that the inflation expectations are going to go even higher. Interest rates are going up, right? You obviously don't want to be in variable rate debt right now. So I just didn't want to hold any debt as I'm going to take these traveler positions, right? So setting down some roots, and I think that this house is going to do a lot better than, say, keeping that in cash, or really even keeping that in the stock market right now. I have more confidence in this house and my ability to put in some sweat equity, which I'm going to show you guys here in a second, than I do in a bank account or any liquid asset right now. So anyways, I don't know how good this audio is going to be. I'm just going to pick up my little iPhone right here and take you guys around the house. And I got to warn you, it is pretty ugly. Okay, it's an ugly house. There's a lot of room for improvement, but let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how good, bad this audio is, but this is basically where I was just recording. I am looking at the video here. It looks like I didn't have any good lighting on myself, but like I said, this is kind of impromptu. I got all my tax forms out there, over there, but this is one of the bedrooms. This place essentially has the potential to be a 4-bedroom, right? I'm probably going to make it into a 3-bedroom. I'm going to make this kind of the master area. So anyways, as you can see, there's some terrible carpets down, terrible carpets. I'm going to show you guys the flooring that I'm looking to put in. There's my clothing and stuff like that. But I'm just kind of spread throughout the house right now. This is something that I have never seen before. This is the bathroom here, okay? Carpeted bathroom. Tell me why that makes any sense. Have you ever seen a carpeted bathroom? I haven't, but now I have, because I bought this place. So this is just weird, all right? Why is there a towel? There's a towel hook inside the shower, right? There's just a lot of stuff here that doesn't make a lot of sense. But to give you guys a little preview, I think that this place, once I get done rehabbing, I think I could probably sell this place for about somewhere between 180 to 190. So I'm not really viewing it as that's terrible sheets, but you know, we'll get that fixed when we can. Just a little closet over here. So basically we got 2 rooms up here, a bathroom, little closet here. But we've got a good amount of space. There's a lot of other space that doesn't really make sense, but let's turn this on in here. So this is just going down temporarily, all right, in this little living area. Well, it's going down in the bathroom. I just have it in the living area right now. That's the front door. We've got a little bit of a little coat rack over there. So eventually what I do want to do is I'm going to take stairs and put them down this left side, and it'll go into the downstairs over there. And we're going to take this wall right here, and we're just going to eliminate that and make this nice and open over here. So we got our kitchen here. Okay, once again, carpeted. Looks like someone's grandma had this, and they just liked carpet. I'm surprised that there's no carpet on the walls. But anyways, we're gonna obviously take out all these cabinets, right? All these cabinets, we're gonna just make these some nice white cabinets. I've got a little couch that's coming over here, right? We're gonna take those, right, stairs over there. We're gonna take a couch, face it over there, put a little entertainment system over here, so all of this will be open. And then we're gonna put an island kind of right here in this area. Make sure we can get it done for cheap. And then, like I said, this is just gonna be kind of a home base for us. We got the baby over there. Can we do it? Got the F-150 Lariat over there. There's room for another car over that way. All right, but let's take you guys downstairs to my haunted basement. This house is pretty terrible, but I don't know if Black Vito, if you're watching, but this house isn't as terrible as the house that you bought. So anyways, we got like a little staircase that goes through the middle. Like I said, we're gonna move this staircase over that way. So we're gonna move it down that wall. It's gonna come from that living room, come down this way, and then we're just gonna open this all the way up. Probably wall some of this off and make this into like another bathroom for these bedrooms over here. All right, and then this is just a massive furnace that we're just gonna get rid of this. We're gonna eliminate this, and all-in cost right now, it's looking like it's gonna be about 100 grand. Bought this for 197. So this is gonna be kind of a break-even thing. I'm not really looking at this as an investment. I'm more so looking at this as home base as I do my travel jobs, right? So a lot of people, you know, it says investing on my name, but I'm kind of looking at this more as an inflation hedge, and more so as just somewhere that if I do want to go forward with this whole YouTube thing, I need somewhere to work, and I need somewhere to put my money that's not gonna be. Here's the other room. Like I said, hideous. We want to do sheetrock on these walls, and like I said, I've got quotes for all that stuff. So Anyways, this is the house. We're gonna eliminate this. This is gonna be about 10 grand to get the new heating system in. So it's gonna be all in. The cost is gonna be about 197 for this. I think it'll be worth about 220 to 225 by the time we get done with it. But I don't plan to sell it. I plan to use it as a home base. So this is what it is. Got the gun safe over there. Still don't have a pistol. You guys said I need to get the Sig Sauer, but anyways, let's turn this on around. So anyways, that is the updates on the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, got something out of it. I'm basically just kind of contracting right now. I did sell some positions and I sold some positions in my, in my retirement account. So if we go back to the screenshot of my net worth right now, I did go ahead and subtract some of the taxes that I'm gonna have to pay on that. But my views on that was that, yeah, retirement accounts are great for avoiding taxes, but I think that at my level of income right now, I want to be able to control my money for a bit until I have enough income where I'm willing to just kind of throw it away into that tax sheltered account. But for now, I want to control it. I want to control real estate and, holdings of my own choosing and other alternative investments like flipping cars, things of that nature. So anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.